All right, so I got some new parts in for the Echo Hedge trimmer here. I got the clutch and I got a couple little gaskets and stuff, so let's check them out. This is the clutch here. I find it interesting that it says it's made by Yamabeco Corporation. I thought that Echo was a Canadian company. Maybe they merged with Shindawa or got bought out by them. I'm not sure, because when you look online to buy parts, they all say Echo and Shindawa in the same listing, as if they merged. So let's take a look at this little clutch here. This is it. You can see it has like a shoe on each side. Back to the Hedge trimmer clutch situation, and I've never taken one of these clutches off before, but what I understand from doing some reading is that they tell you to take a piece of rope and fill the cylinder through the spark plug hole with a piece of rope, just like with the Gravely Model L with taking the starter clutch off. So I took the spark plug out. I'm just going to shove a bunch of rope down there, and okay, this is parachute cord, don't be technical. But let's shove this down the hole and see if we can fill up the whole cylinder. And then we're gonna have to find some kind of crazy gizmo to actually get that clutch off with, because it doesn't have like a regular nut or anything like that on it. I'm not sure how big this cylinder is. I think this engine's like a 20cc. So it's not very big. It should be filled up really soon. So I think that it's getting close. You just see here. And just stuff it. Keep stuffing it. It's funny. Yep, it's stuffing. Still taking it. I think we're close to the end. I should be filming with my left hand and stuffing with my right hand, but I'm in kind of a backwards mode today. See, it's still going in there. Still going in. I think we're pretty much full. Ah, there goes some more. So we got to take this clutch off here, and I don't know, maybe I'll get lucky and maybe like a 1/2-inch extension shaft will fit in there. Let me go grab one and we'll see what happens. Okay, I determined that a 1/2-inch extension will fit in there. It's not perfect, but it should be enough to get it going. Let's see what happens here. Oh, it just slipped. I may have to make something to go in there. That's the tough part here. Yeah, it's just slipping. It's real close. It's like 1/2 inch is just a little bit too big, and the 3/8 is a little bit too small. So what I really need is just something that's right in the middle. Maybe I can take like a flat washer or something and put it next to it and kind of jam it in there and make it wider. Let me grab a couple. Let's see. I got two flat washers. I don't know if this is going to work. Nah, it's probably not. Anyways, I'm going to try to wedge one in next to the thing. See if that helps. I don't know if it's right hand thread or left hand thread. That's the other problem. I'm guessing it's left hand thread. I can't get it to budge. Maybe I need a bigger ratchet than this little... Nothing. Let me get something bigger. All right, here's the 1/2 inch drive ratchet, which has a longer handle. The problem is that there's nothing to hold this engine from spinning while I'm trying to do this. That's really my main issue right now. Let's see if I can wedge this sucker back in there. This is really tough. Oh, we got it, yes. Let's see. Score. Ha ha ha. Yeah, baby. All right, so this is the old clutch, which clearly is a lot different than the new clutch. It only has 1/2 a clutch on it. So let me see if I can get the rest of this thing apart. Washer that goes behind the clutch. I think they call it a clutch plate. Not 100% sure, but let me see if I can get that out. Be right back. This is that clutch plate washer, which I was trying to buy a new one of these things, and is back ordered for like a month. So I said, screw it. I don't think that this really matters. I mean, the clutch goes against it. The back of the clutch flat against it. It doesn't really achieve anything, I don't believe. So let's just put this one back in. It has a couple like marks on it, but I don't think they affect how it functions. So let's put that in there. And again, this is the new clutch, which again has two shoes on it instead of one. Maybe it's just a different design, because looking at this one again, like, no, it probably broke off. I bet that this old shoe broke off, but it's weird because it's not in there anywhere. So I have a feeling that somebody has taken this apart and knew what the problem was. In fact, I'm going to take it apart again and just make sure there's no debris hanging out in there from that old clutch, if my theory's right. I'm going to turn it upside down. Yeah, nothing's coming out except for the plate here. And it's clean in there. There's nothing in there. So yeah, let's put it back together. Let's see, here we go. Make sure this thing's threaded on there, right? Yeah, it is. Cool. So that's not so bad, huh? I'll tighten it up and we should be good. All right, let's get this rig job ratchet going. I'll put my washer in, and I'll put the extension in. Let's see. Okay, I think that's tight, guys. So I'll get this washer out of there. Yeah, cool. Oh shit, this was supposed to go behind it. It fell out. I gotta take it apart again. It never fails, huh? There's always some part that you forget about or some stupid thing, huh? Ah, you idiot. I can't believe I did that. Yeah, I can. Okay. Washer, clutch plate, clutch. Gonna be an expert at this. We've done it so many times. Okay, that's nice and tight. So let's pull our rope out of our cylinder. Perfect. Engine still cranks, that's even better. Now we gotta figure out how to put the handle and all this crap back together. That's really a messy, a gooey, messy situation. So let me take these 3 screws out of here. And we gotta reassemble the whole, like, actuating part of it, because it fell apart on me last time. So let me grab the whole bar and we'll go from there.